Meteorologist, Miss Katie Whittaker with your official Red Hook High School and Mid-Hudson Valley forecast for the week of February 15th, 2021. I'm reporting here from my local snowbank in Hopewell Junction, New York, and actually it's raining right now. A little bit of a change in the weather that we've been seeing. Let's get right to the weather maps. We have a lot to talk about. For your Tuesday, you'll notice the orange in New York, for most of New York anyway, and that indicates some freezing rain. I'll get into more details on that in your 5-day forecast in just a minute, but let's actually take a look at the storm later in the week. Looking like snow at this point, could end as a mix for your Friday morning, but it's quite the system, and we're already hearing a lot about it on local news channels because it could be a pretty significant, impactful storm system for the end of the week. This week's weather shout out goes to Logan, junior meteorologist out of Charlotte, North Carolina. So impressed by your meteorology work. You're doing a great job, and maybe I'll be watching you on the news someday. Keep up the great work. Weather in Charlotte this week looks like you could see some rain for mostly it'll be Monday night into Tuesday, and a little bit at the end of the week too. Highs will be mostly in the 40s and 50s, and lows in the 30s to 40s. All right, now let's get to that 5-day forecast for Red Hook and the Mid-Hudson Valley. Again, a couple of storm systems to talk about, and I'll get to those a little bit here. So there is a winter weather advisory in effect for Red Hook until 1 p.m. on Tuesday, and that's the result of that system that's going to bring some freezing rain and maybe a little bit of snow. We're looking at maybe up to a 1/4 inch of ice and up to about 1 inch of snow and sleet. For your Wednesday, look for clear skies. Looks like the best day of the week as far as sunshine goes. Highs will be in the mid to upper 20s. For Thursday, again, we're watching that storm system. Right now, it looks like it'll be coming in the afternoon, maybe between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. A lot can change between now and then. Looks like it'll start as snow and then change over to a wintry mix overnight. And you'll see that wintry mix holding in for your Friday with highs in the mid-30s. Now, as far as that storm for Tuesday, freezing rain and ice can be very dangerous. The changeover time could definitely change as we get closer. Right now for the Red Hook area, looks like changeover will be somewhere between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. For here in the lower Dutchess County, I should say, it looks like changeover will be more around sunrise, so between maybe 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., but it could be rather slippery in the morning, so please be careful when you're out and about. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Weather with Whittaker, and I'll see you again next week.